YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is James with Performance. Today is September 30th, Tuesday. It's 13:45. We're gonna do a walk around video of a car about ready to list on Bring a Trailer. This beautiful 997 GT3. We'll do a full walk around video and look at the inside and outside. This car did receive full paint correction. Got a full PPF in the front. Only blemishes I did find was actually right here. You can see it. Looks like he backed into something. And then there's another one right here on this fender that I was unable to get out with the paint correction. Inside is very clean. It has 26,000 miles on the clock. If you have any questions, please contact me. This will be going on Bring a Trailer soon.